Welcome to Star Chat, the podcast where we explore the wonders of the universe and the latest developments in space exploration. I'm your host, Carl, and I'm thrilled to share with you today's top story, a fascinating mission that's out of this world. Literally. Imagine being part of a journey that takes you to not one, but two unusual objects in our solar system that have never been visited by spacecraft before. That's exactly what China's Tianwen-2 mission has embarked upon, and we're excited to delve into the details. Launched recently, this ambitious endeavor aims to explore an asteroid that may be a piece of the moon, as well as an active asteroid that acts like a comet. Yes, you heard that right. An asteroid that behaves like a comet. This phenomenon is sure to intrigue astronomers and space enthusiasts alike, as it challenges our understanding of these celestial bodies. As we ponder the mysteries of our universe, let's take a step back and appreciate the sheer scale of this mission. We're talking about objects that are billions of kilometers away from us, remnants of a solar system that's over 4.5 billion years old. The fact that we can design, launch, and navigate spacecraft to explore these distant worlds is a testament to human ingenuity and our innate curiosity about the cosmos. The Tianwen-2 mission is not just about exploring new frontiers. It's also about advancing our knowledge of the early solar system and the formation of our planet. By studying these unusual objects, scientists hope to gain insights into the processes that shaped our cosmic neighborhood, and perhaps even shed light on the origins of life itself. As we continue to push the boundaries of space exploration, we're reminded of the importance of international collaboration, scientific inquiry, and critical thinking. We must remain curious yet skeptical as we venture into the unknown, always seeking evidence-based answers to our questions about the universe. So, join us on this journey through the vast expanse of space as we explore the latest developments in astronomy, astrophysics, and the search for life beyond Earth. We'll be right back with more fascinating space news on Star Chat. Welcome back to Star Chat, folks. We're exploring the wonders of the universe and all its secrets. I'm your host, Carl, and we're excited to dive into our middle segment today. Imagine a future where space travel becomes as routine as taking a flight from New York to Los Angeles. A future where humans can live and work in space, and even enjoy some of the comforts of home, like a beautiful garden. That's exactly what a team of innovators is working towards with their concept, Space Garden. This stunning design features a series of thin, lobe-bearing arms that protrude from a central hub, giving plants access to light and creating a breathtaking sight in the process. The brainchild of Ariel Eklaw and her colleagues, Space Garden is not just about aesthetics, it's also a functional solution for growing food in space. Eklaw envisions a future where spaceflight becomes more accessible and affordable, with launch costs dropping from thousands of dollars per kilogram to as little as $100, $200 per kilogram. This would enable industrial activity in space, freeing up land on Earth and making it possible for botanists to travel back and forth to tend to their space gardens. But is it practical? We spoke to Dr. Mike Dixon, a renowned expert in space horticulture, who had some reservations about the design. While he appreciates the psychological benefits of having familiar plants in space, he's not convinced that large-scale gardens are necessary, at least not yet. On the other hand, Alistair Griffiths, Director of Science at the UK's Royal Horticultural Society, praises the approach, emphasizing the importance of beauty and connection to nature in space garden design. He even suggests that gardens in space could reflect the personalities of their creators, just like they do on Earth. As we look to the future of space exploration, it's exciting to think about the possibilities that Space Garden represents. Whether it's growing barley on the moon or cultivating strawberry plants with bright red petals, the idea of bringing a touch of home to the vastness of space is certainly captivating. Stay tuned for our final story of the day, right here on Star Chat. Welcome back to Star Chat, folks. We've had an exciting conversation so far, exploring the wonders of the universe and the latest developments in space exploration. As we wrap up today's show, I want to dive into some interesting news that's been making waves in the space community. You might have heard about NASA's Artemis II mission, which is set to take 4 astronauts on a 10-day journey around the moon and back. But before the launch, the team at Kennedy Space Center is conducting a series of integrated tests to ensure everything is working smoothly. These tests include interface verification, program-specific engineering tests, end-to-end communications testing, countdown demonstrations, flight termination system checks, and even a wet dress rehearsal. It's fascinating to think about the level of detail and preparation that goes into a mission like this. From verifying the functionality of interfaces between different systems to practicing launch countdown procedures with the astronauts, every aspect is carefully checked and double-checked to guarantee a successful mission. Meanwhile, in other space news, SpaceX's rival, Blue Origin, has been making strides in its own lunar ambitions. And let's not forget about the private companies like Virgin Galactic and Sierra Nevada Corporation, which are pushing the boundaries of commercial spaceflight. Wow! But what really caught my attention was the recent update on NASA's Space Launch System rocket. The upper stage of the SLS has been integrated with other elements of the rocket, and engineers are now conducting tests to confirm that everything is working as planned. It's a crucial step towards making humanity a multi-planetary species. As we look up at the stars, it's clear that space exploration is becoming increasingly important for our collective future. With private companies and government agencies working together, we're witnessing a new era of cooperation and innovation in space travel. That's all for today's Star Chat. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. And until next time, remember to keep looking up at the stars.